Hi guys. Yeah, I lost my color. I'm sorry. But I just got a new package from eBay. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you that. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. Alright, well I'm gonna go get that. Yeah. Oh, sorry, that's my pincher. Get away! Alright, so we are going to open this. I literally just got home from school, so I'm not quite with you. Shh! I'm trying to do a video! Gosh. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh yeah, and I ordered this littlest pet shop. Oh, here she is! Oh my gosh! I love her! Look at her! Oh my gosh! Is there any more in here? No, it's just that. No extras or anything. Oh, that's okay. Oh my gosh! Yeah, this is the only cat I ordered. Oh my gosh, I freaking love her. She is in so good condition, and oh my god, I just love her. Do you think this is a guy? I don't know. Yeah. I don't know if this is a guy or not. Oh, no, I just saw something. Yeah, but it's in very good condition, if you can see. Yeah, it looks like it has never really been used, but I think it has. The tail is a little dirty. What are you doing? Excuse me. But just look at the fabulous, and I'm going to get my dog from chewing. What are you chewing? She wanted to be in the video. There she is. There she is. Say, there. Oh, right. You want to go? No, she's gonna. No, you can't eat the package. No, come here. She stole them. Alright, so I think it's a guy. Because I don't have a lot of guy cats. Excuse me. Get away, you butt! Oh gosh. She's a miniature pincher. I'm so sorry. Could you move out of the... Sorry, man. Yeah, thank you. Just... Ow! Oh my gosh. I literally... Stop it! Pets. Go. She's my mom's dog. I'm sorry. Rah! Let a man do it. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, you're cute. Oh my gosh. Oopsie, she's chewing on my cord. Don't chew on the freaking cord! Oh my god! She literally chews on everything! I'm so sorry for that interruption of the dog. She would just not leave my room. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Alright, so back to where we were. That was the package. Wait, I don't know where the address is, so this is from Minnesota? I had no idea. My mom grew up there. So. Oak Grove, Minnesota. Alright. Oh my gosh, you're cute. No, I have a boyfriend. Who? Is it a ferret? Is it a weasel? Ferret, weasel, weasel. Yes, it is a ferret. Oh my god. I will be right back. Oh my, ew. Stop! Oh my gosh. As you can see, she's still messing with my stuff. Gosh, what are you doing? What are you doing? She's messing with everything. No! Damn. Seriously, sorry for that. Oh crap, she came back in. Before she damages anything else, I think I'm gonna end this video. Just look at this awesome cat one more time. Yeah. It is pretty awesome. I love it. Alright, so bye-bye. Bye-bye.